This is problem number 16 from the August 2014 Algebra Regents exam. We've got the third term in an arithmetic sequence is 10, so we'll call that T3. And the fifth term is 26, so we'll call that T5. If the first term is A1, which is an equation for the nth term of this sequence? And you know what, I think it might be handy as well to set up a table of values here. So if we're looking at our term numbers versus the actual term, so we know the third one's 10, and this is 26. Now what's going to be helpful is if we're able to find the middle term here between 10 and 26. And because this is an arithmetic sequence, it's moving, increasing or decreasing at a constant rate. And so we're actually able to find this out fairly quickly because it's going to be the middle number between 10 and 26. In other words, the average. So we could do 10 plus 26 divided by 2, which gets us 18. So the middle term here is 18. And this was handy because now we can see our rate of change. It's increasing by 8 each time. So we know we're dealing with either equation 1 or 2. 3 and 4 has a constant rate of change of 16, but we want 8. Now, to figure out the constant part of this equation, what we're going to replace these two numbers into the equation. For example, 10 is going to be equal to 8 times n, which is 3, plus or minus something. We'll just do plus. We'll call it x. Okay, so 10 is equal to 24 plus x, which means that x has to be negative 14 to make that true. So that means our equation is a sub n is equal to 8 times n minus 14, because that's the value of our constant there. And we can see that as option number 2. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.